What's the meaning of arch? Arch. Arch.
Arch. Arch. In architecture, the term arch refers to a curved structural element that spans an opening. This type of design has been used for thousands of years in various styles of construction, from ancient Roman architecture to modern-day buildings. The arch is made up of wedge-shaped blocks that are stacked on top of each other and held in place by key stones at the top. The result of using an arch is that it distributes the weight of the structure more evenly, allowing for greater stability and larger open spaces without the need for additional support columns.